In this video, I will guide you on how to fix "you have been logged out" error on Instagram. First, launch open the Instagram app. If you have been logged out, tap on OK and return to the login screen. Here, you want to enter your username, email address, or phone number, then enter your password and then tap on the login option. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgotten password option. Now follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password. Now, reset your password, then enter the correct password and tap on the login option. If you are still being logged out, then you want to update your app to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar and here search for Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. You also want to clear the app's cache. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, then tap on this app info icon. This will take you to app settings. Here, tap on storage. Now tap on the option of clear cache. You can also tap on clear data. Then head back. Now tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Now open the Instagram app. Then log into your account and this issue will be resolved. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.